Hey everybody, Scott Tanner coming to you live right here at Sunset Key of Auburn. It is a Saturday. I got my good buddy Bennett. Bennett, how you doing?
Pretty good.
You are a special guest today. You know, it's really awesome. We are so busy right now. And the reason being is people are coming from all over to take advantage of warranty protection for life. That's a reason why you drove all the way from Chehalis. You passed by many Kia dealerships. Why'd you guys come here?
The great deal and the good people.
That sounds pretty simple. And there was another thing you talked about that you really wanted to be partake in, and we're famous for that. What is that?
The Gong Show.
The Gong Show. So I'm going to do a countdown, and I want you to hit that gong super loud. Are you ready?
You got it.
Bennett, don't break it, but hit it hard.
You got
ready?
it.
3, 2, 1. Oh my! Woo! Was it loud?
It was loud.
I want to say congratulations to you and your wife, and welcome to the Sunset family.
Thank you.
You betcha, my friend. Look at, he's got all this stuff in his hand.
Have a
Make
good
it a
day.
great day.